Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. That's why it's worth eating pears every day. As most experts say, the pear is not only delicious, but also an extremely useful fruit that you need to eat every day in order to feel really happy. So today we will tell you about the beneficial properties of the pear. 1. Pears contain useful vitamins A, B, C, E, which undoubtedly affect your body and health, as well as improve working capacity and help to avoid stress. 2. Thanks to coffee acid and pear tissues, many infections can be avoided. 3. Regulate blood circulation in the body, thereby preventing stroke. Also, pears contain a large amount of fiber, which helps reduce the so-called cholesterol. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.